Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ardil, and today we're sat in a BMW 1 Series and we're going to be upgrading the sound system. But for now, let's sit and listen to what the car sounds like before we make a start. Then I'll be sharing the entire journey with you as per normal. Smash that subscribe button. Let's go. So at the moment, what we've got is basically everything running completely flat on the factory system. And I'm just going to play a couple of tracks just so you can hear what it sounds like. So that's about 3/4 volume. Play another track here, a bit of vocals. So like first overall impressions, and if you own one of these cars, I'm sure you'll probably agree, this system has the base sound system from factory. So it means there's no tweeters in the vehicle. So all you get in the car is a 4-inch under seat and rears. That's literally it. So we're gonna be adding in those tweeters because there's no high frequencies practically being played. It sounds very low, and the reason is because there's no high frequencies being played from a separate tweeter. And you've also got your mid-range location as a 4-inch in the door, quite low as well. So it just sounds all very low in the vehicle, and that's partly just down to speaker location. So we're going to be changing that. We're going to be adding the tweeters, adding new amplification. So let's get onto the install, and I'm going to share the entire journey with you. So the install is complete. So in a little bit after we've listened to something with you, I'm actually going to be going through a little bit of a guide about how we spec'd up the system and why we've used the products that we have in today's system. But for now, listen to something. So grab your headphones, guys, and enjoy.
Getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
So I'm sure that is coming across well over camera. I mean, this system sounds really, really nice and clean. It's not absolutely mad. It's not over the top, but it's just a really nice sound in the vehicle. So I mean, the big difference is when we're looking at BMW speaker upgrades and stuff, we've got obviously packages on our website, but we always guide people in terms of what's going to be best for them. So this client came in, basically was after a couple of things, after a little bit of a volume increase, clarity, and also adding in a lot more bass into the vehicle, but not taking up too much room, and wanted kind of that OEM look. So what we've actually managed to do is order in the Harman Kardon grille. So the car came in with the base hi-fi system. So there's 3 types of hi-fi systems from BMW from stock. There's the base, middle, which is hi-fi, and then Harman Kardon. So base hi-fi doesn't have a tweeter, so all you get is a 4-inch and the under seat. What we've actually done is ordered the grills, so it looks like the car's now got Harman Kardon, but this is actually an upgrade from Harman Kardon. So if you walked in and said, I've got HK in the car currently, but want to go further, this is still a big upgrade on top of that. So we've got the tweeters now inside into pretty much stock location. The rest is all hidden, and then you've got that 10-inch active sub, which really does provide quite a lot of kick. So I'm now going to play something else that has a little bit more bass into it, so you can hopefully get across how good this system is. Like, the literal difference between before and after is absolutely incredible. Like, it's just, and the nice thing is you can't see anything. Like, it just looks like the car had HK from stock. You've got a little sub controller that allows you to control the sub level, so like if you want to have a little bit less on some songs or turn it off, by all means, you've still got those under seats kicking pretty hard as well. But yeah, just lovely. Like, it just a very smooth sounding system. It blends in obviously with the car, with it being a stock look, and yeah, just overall love it. So if you would like something like this in your vehicle, no matter what the car is, whether it be a BMW 1 Series like we're sat in today, or something completely different, we have designed packages for your car. And if we haven't got those packages ready and live yet, because it is still a bit of a work in progress, if we haven't got them systems live, book a consultation and we will design those systems for you and your car. But on the BMW platform, we've pretty much covered every single BMW under the sun. So there's options available, priced, and also you can see how long an install takes. We're not about just chucking installs in. We do not rush installs. We take our time. We don't just sit in the car and listen to it at the end. We showcase behind the scenes, and we're always up for showcasing exactly what goes on behind the scenes, because that's the important bit. If you've enjoyed today's video, it really helps our business out as well as promotes growth for this video, so other people can find it and be useful to them as well. Smash that subscribe button, like today's video, and also comment below on what you want to see next in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.